Welcome to the setup tutorial for your new TM80 microneedling machine. First, attach the handpiece holder to the main unit and secure it with the screws provided. Once that's in place, go ahead and plug the cables for both handpieces into the back of the machine. After that, just connect remaining cables, the foot switch, and the power cord. If this is your very first time using it, you might need to twist and release the emergency stop button first. Now, insert the key to turn the machine on. Next, let's prep the handpiece. Unpack a fresh needle cartridge. Always remember to use a brand new one for every single treatment. Push the cartridge into the handpiece until you hear a click, so you know it's locked in. If an activation page pops up on your screen, use phone. Scan the QR code and type the code. Let's move back to the touch screen. Over on the left side, you'll see all the treatment parameters. For example, if you're using the pink needles, which have a built-in suction feature, this is where you'll adjust your settings. Change the penetration depth, the vacuum strength, and the radio frequency energy output. You can also adjust how long the needles stay in the skin, as well as the radio frequency pulse width. Depending on the treatment, you have a few other needle options. If you're using the orange needles, you actually have the ability to treat multiple layers of the skin, and you can set custom parameters for each specific layer. The green needles are standard microneedling. And if you're using the purple RF needles, you'll need to apply a conductive gel first. When using these, just make sure the entire flat surface of the tip is making full contact with the skin. During or after the session, if you notice any obvious redness or swelling, you can use the cold hammer attachment to soothe and cool down the skin. For more detailed instructions, definitely check out your user manual. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new machine.